Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set your Super Box decoder. So this is the Super Box ST-21 T2/S2 decoder. So I'm going to get your hands on this Super Box and you're going to do the installation yourself. This the first time installation whenever you are trying to get your FTA channels. So on the first page, this is what is going to appear on your screen, and you need to use your remote to move on to the menu to do the necessary settings over there. So here we have the language option. You select your preferred language. You have only two languages, that's French and English. You select your preferred language. We're gonna go with English, and with the country, almost the settings will be the same, so you can just put it on any country and you proceed by pressing on the exit button on the remote. So here, for you to go straight to the menu and then do the necessary settings, if it's a satellite dish or a satellite channel that you are trying to get the FCA signal from, or you already having a signal from, all you got to do is to connect the cable from the satellite dish into the LMB import at the back of the Super Box decoder. The Super Box is capable of actually receiving both the terrestrial, that's the antenna signal, and the satellite signal. So at the back of the decoder we have two different ports, that's the LMB port and the antenna port for the digital channels. So whichever platform that you are getting the signal from, you insert the cable to the respective ports and you are good to go. So we're gonna go in to do the settings for the satellite channel. So all you got to do is to insert in your satellite signal cable into the LMB import, and then you press on the menu button on your remote. So from the menu here, use the arrow keys or the arrow buttons just to navigate through the menu, and then you look for installation. So installation, you press OK on the installation, and for you to get access to the installation menu, you have to confirm with the default password of the Super Box decoder, and every default password of an FTA decoder is supposed to be 4 zeros if no one have ever changed. So you have to type or press on the 0 button 4 times 0004 for the menu to open up. So on this page we have the S2, which is the settings for your satellite channels, and at the same time we have the installation type. When you press on it, we have the T2, that's for the terrestrial or antenna or digital channel settings. So if you are to do the settings for your satellite channels, you need to select the S2. That's what exactly I'm going to show you in this video. So with the S2, the next thing that you need to focus on is the antenna setting. That's the page whereby you're going to select the satellite and the transponder. So we have different satellite folders being installed in it, and depending on the channel that you are trying to scan to get or track to get, you can select the exact satellite or select any other satellite folder, and then you add the transponder. So this tutorial I'm going to use the multitv TP to actually run through the scan for you to know how you're going to do on your decoder. So you select either the Eurotelsat 28 degrees hotbed, Intelsat, Arabsat, and then you proceed. So let's select the Eurotelsat 28 degrees on the 28 east, and the next thing is to select your transponder for that particular satellite channel. So with this multi-TV have their frequency to be 12525 vertical 30K. So from the transponder list, as you can see, you have it over here, so you can just place it on it, and as you can see, the signal quality have shown down below, indicating that you are having a 72% of the signal quality. So in case you select a different satellite folder right here, let's select the Astra 4A, and there is no multi-TV frequency and symbol rate in it being added in it. All you have to do is to add on your satellite receiver. You are using this tutorial to just apply on your satellite receiver, which is not a Super Box receiver, and there is no Astra 2A 28 or Eurotelsat 28 which have the satellite TP that you are trying to track. All you got to do is to add, and with the adding of the TP, you need to go back to the installation page, and then you come down to the transponder list, you press OK on it. So from here you need to select the satellites whereby you want to add those transponder. So with the selection of the satellite, you need to press on the SAT option for it to pop up. That's the stop option on the remote for the satellite options to actually come up on the screen for you to select. So you select the exact satellite whereby you want to add, which is Astra 4A as we selected. So you look straight from the list to select the Astra 4A. Alright, so you select that satellite, and then you add. With the adding to, press on the red button on the remote to add, which is the TP 12525 525 30K, and we have the polarity to be vertical. So you save it, you highlight it. As you can see, the signal quality I've shown. So all you got to do is to go back to the antenna settings page to perform the scan or the search. So here you select the right satellite, and then you select the transponder, and the next thing is to run the search. And with the search, for you to get access to more of the FTA channels that is available in and around those satellite or the TP that you're having a quality signal from it, all you have to do is to perform a blind search. So with a search command, press on the blue button on your remote for the search menu to open up, and this channel type you can select FTA only to avoid those channels that have $ sign on it, which will not be available for you to watch. So you can also put it on all, and then you leave it. Come to the scan type, change it to blind, and then you press OK to proceed. So here all you got to do is to wait for it to complete scanning, and you get access to the channels that will come after you are done with it. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you want to hear, all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.